Hi guys, welcome to this video tutorial for xTool F1. Today we will show you how to replace the fan of the Smoke Purifier for F1. This video has mainly two parts. In the first part, we will show you how to remove the used fan. In the second part, we will show you how to install the new fan. Now let's dive right in. Power off the machine and disconnect the power cable. Uncover the 4 rubber pads. Remove the 8 screws with the Phillips screwdriver. Take out the bottom cover. Remove the 3 screws on the motherboard. Unplug the wire between the used fan and the motherboard. Remove the 2 screws on the used fan and take it out. Put the new fan in. Connect the wire on the new fan to the motherboard. Tighten the 2 screws on the new fan and the 3 screws on the motherboard. Put the bottom cover back on. Tighten the 8 screws. Attach the 4 rubber pads. Power off the machine and disconnect the power cable. Press the start button. If the machine works properly, the fan is replaced successfully. Feel free to contact the xTool support team if you have any questions.